G'day everyone, it's Matt from Rock Around the Block here, rockaroundtheblock.com.au. Just a really short little video about one of our most popular selling products, which is the expanding black waterfall foam. We sell a lot of this, probably at least a couple dozen cans a week, sometimes more. And it's a great little product for people looking to either build an aquarium or fill gaps in a waterfall. It has a range of different applications and it's fairly easy to apply. And you don't really need to use a lot of it to fill a lot of space. If you can sort of remember those ads about that expanding foam product, I think there was like maybe it was a no more gaps, I think, or something to that effect. Sellies came up with a while ago. This is a similar product, albeit designed specifically for water applications. It is completely safe for fish and other aquatic life, especially once it's cured. And as I said, very easy to apply. We do sell two different brands. So we sell either the Aquascape or the PondMAX, and look, maybe they come out of, and in fact I'll be almost certain that they probably do come out of the very same warehouse. They're both 340 gram cans. They both look exactly the same. I would say that both Aquascape and PondMAX probably use the same overseas contract manufacturer for these cans of foam, so they'll do exactly the same type of thing. Yeah, the only thing that I would mention is these are the cans typically designed for smaller to medium projects. We do have, and it's just sold by Aquascape, a larger can, which comes in a 680 gram canister, I guess you could call it, and it's designed to be used with a specific applicator gun that you also need to use. Whereas for application, these smaller cans come with a little plastic nozzle, which you can just hook into the little top part of the can to really use it there. But unfortunately the foam, if it's not used in a day, can often cure and harden in the nozzle, and then you unfortunately won't be able to use the rest of the product. So they're really more designed for those small to medium projects where you're going to be using the can up in just one day. If you're doing a larger project or you're a contractor or a professional pond builder, it's probably best to get the larger cans with the professional foam gun. We do sell a specific cleaner for that foam gun, so you can just use the foam over multiple days. But yeah, these are the two products here, the PondMAX Black Waterfall Foam or the Aquascape Pond and Waterfall Sealant. Yeah, great for aquariums, great for waterfalls and other water features, filling little gaps and doing odd jobs like that, and very popular products on Rock Around the Block's website now.